It starts with believing. You have to believe that you can get them to buy. You have to believe that you can close them. I remember it was a time when I was first learning how to sell, and I was going business to business at the time. And my mentor, one of my mentors, took me out on a sales call with them. And we were in California. I'll never forget this day. It was very, very impactful for me because my mentor had no, like, at the stage in his career, he didn't have to go out in the field and generate money anymore. It was coming to him passively. But he went out in the field with me. And I noticed something that he was doing every single time. He would always, before engaging into the conversation, he would say, we're gonna close this business. We're gonna close this business. We're gonna close this business. He kept saying that. I'm like, and every time we were getting told no, 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 no. Like, I'm like, wow. It got to the point I heard him say it so much, I started saying it too. Like, we were alternating doors. Hey, I'm gonna close this one. Nope. He was like, I'm gonna close this one. Nope. The reason I share that with you, because towards the end of that day, we made more money that day than most reps have made in that week. All because we just believed we were gonna do it. Now, yes, we got told no a lot, but no one ever remembers the no's. Once you close, the no's don't even matter anymore. We got through all of those no's because we believed there were yeses out there waiting on us. And the only way to get to them, we had to cut through the noise of no's. So you have to believe, without a shadow of a doubt, that what you're saying, what you're presenting, is gonna work. It's gonna work for them. And if you believe it, guess what? Believing is contagious. If you believe it, why wouldn't they believe it? You're saying it with such authority, you're saying it with such conviction, why not? It must work. But you have to make sure you're using all three of those. If those three things are not working for you simultaneously, then you can't close any customer. It won't work. You have to make sure that you're an artist. You have to make sure that you're listening, and you have to make sure you believe in what it is that you're talking about and what it is that you do. You have to believe in your process.